Joining. This is a quick video just to show you how to get random numbers working now that you've moved to the frame. It's very similar to when you were coding inside of public static void main before, but this is just a little review because we know you don't remember everything and you're going to be using it with your little random number games. So here we go. We're going to go to the source tab, and the first thing you need to do to add random is we need that import statement. So import java.util.random. Okay, that sort of brings it in so we have that code available. And then here's where you put your random object. As before, to use random, you need to actually create an instance of a random object. So we go random. We give it any name you want here. I'm just going to call it capital R. Not very creative. Is a new random. So that's the exact same code you had before. Haven't done anything special. The only difference is I'm making it up here. I'm making this variable R belong to the entire frame. So it exists everywhere in the program, and anywhere you want to use it, you can use it. Okay, so that's good. Now, how do I actually use it? I'm just going to go to the design window. I'll click on random time. I'll add a little code here, and let's see. Let's actually find a random number. I'll just call it there's really creative. Random num equals, hey R, that's a random object, dot, give me the next integer, and I want, 100 different integers, starting at 0, and let's add 1 to everything. This should give me 1 to 100. Now that I have the number, I want to put it into the text box. So I have a text box called text value. Set the text, quote, quote, random num. And that's it. Let's see what happens here. Let's give it a run. And that's really all you need. Random time, finding my random numbers, right? And so that wasn't too bad. So the key steps there: import statement, give the class a random object that has scope of the entire frame class, and then just use that random object to generate yourself a random number. And that's it. Good luck with your little text games or your little text number, random number games there using this stuff. Hopefully you'll have fun doing it now that your programs start to look a little better, now that they actually have a Windows appearance. Thanks for watching.